Hey guys, hope everyone's doing okay in lockdown now that a few things have been eased. Slightly better, at least we can take the horses out. So we thought we'd vlog today. We are taking Tiny and Rose out to an arena hire for the first time with us for both of them. Tiny's definitely been out, not sure how much Rose has done. So yeah, so Lauren's coming with us. She's going to ride Rose, I'm going to ride Tiny. It's 7:10 and I've just ridden Zebedee because it is Thursday and it's supposed to be 25 degrees again today, really hot, and so I thought I'd get up and do one at least before we go. We have to leave at 8, so I probably need to get off and get the trailer quickly loaded. It's all ready, get the horses loaded and turn out, and Lauren will be here soon. So yeah, so I'm going to quickly go and sort Zeb and crack on with that, and we'll see you in a minute.
Sorry, I'm trying to vlog now as well. Are you behind? Oh, Anna's behind us. All right. Ashley.
Hello. We just had a bit of an issue finding it because they've decided to only put April Lodge on one side and April Stud on the other, and we just saw April Lodge. And they didn't have anywhere on their website that it was, you go in April Lodge, so it is 9 o'clock, but we have got an hour.
And only 2 horses.
And only 2 horses, so we should be fine.
And then I just...
No, it's all right. You can talk, Lauren. Don't worry. Tiny was a bit moody.
booted out the back door when I was doing... She's like, hi.
Yeah, so we're just at the field and we're going to, I think Rose is getting bothered by a fly. You getting bothered by a fly? Just going to swap, put Rose back in her field and Lauren's just getting Max. So we can take Max back and then we can get you out in the field, Tiny. Hey?